this is logarithm problem, and here log 2 to the base 10 is given a, and we have to find the values of log 2 to the base 5, log 4 to the base 10, and log 2 to the base 100. So to find this, we will convert this 2 to the 5, or we will write 2 to the 5 in the form 2 to the base 10. So when it becomes in the form log 2 to the base 10, we will put the value of a. So let's see how to do this. First, let's write what is given. It's given log 2 to the base 10 equal to a. Now, first I'll find the value of log 2 to the base 5. You can see this log 2 to the base 5, this is 2 to the base 5, and here it is 2 to the base 10. So I cannot write here this value, but I can do one thing. I will change it. I'll write it in this form. Why? We have one property. So log a to the base b can be written as log a to the base m log b to the base m. So this one 2 to the base 10, 5 to the base 10. Yes. Now I got log 2 to the base 10 here, because this 2 to the base 5 can be written as in this form. Now what to do? Now this log 2 to the base 10, here we have the value is a, and now this one 5. I have to convert all this in terms of a. So for this, again further I will this one x further I will break this to 5. Yes, it can be written as 10 by 2. Now here, as it is log 2 to the base 10, we will put the value a, and this 5 to the base 10 again we will convert in this form, because this 5 can be written as 10 by 2, and this side is 10, which is for, let us put the value of log 2 to the base 10, it is a. Now here 10 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10, which gives a by 1 minus a. Because a is this one, log 10 to the base 10 is 1, and log 2 to the base 10 value is a, it's given. So this is problem of logarithm. Here we have to verify log 1 by x to the base a equal to log x to the base 1 by a. So let's verify. Let us write left hand side here. This can be written as log x to the power 1 minus a. We know 1 by a power n is a power minus n. That is why 1 by x is written x power minus 1. This equal to minus log x to the base a, because log m power n to the base a is n log m to the base a. So the power of log is written before log. So now I have to get here 1 by a, and here we have to get x. It's okay. So what to do this? Now we will change the base this way. Let's change the base. This minus, from numerator we can bring minus to the denominator. Now this minus, I'll make the power of log. Now a power minus 1 is written as 1 by a, and this is x. Now again I'll change the base using base formula. As you know, here also we have used this what formula? Change of base, which is log a to the base b 1 by log b to the base a. Here I change the base. Here also I use this one. Now in this step also I am going to use, because it is of the form 1 by log b to the base a, which can be written as log a to the base b. That means if I remove this a1, it will get the base will get changed. Here the base is x, now it will become 1 by a. So now you can see we got our right hand side. It is what? Log x to the base right hand side, hence verified. So that's all this problem. So now we have to verify. So this is another problem of logarithm, and in this problem we have to verify a power log b to the base x equal to b power log a to the base x. So let's start. We will take log of this. We have log a power log b to the base x. I took log of this because we can take log of any number. So here I have written log. So the log and the base is m. I have taken this one log m, log to the base m. This can be written as log b to the base x and log a to the base m. You can see, so this the left hand side is a power log b to the base x. This is the power of log b to the base x is power of a. You can see I have taken log to the base m of this log. Here it's interesting. Okay, now here I have a to the base m, but you can see in the right hand side the base of log is x. So what to do? We will change this base. How to change base? This equal to log b to the base x log a to the base x. This I can write this x here, then this side will be x to the base m, because log a to the base b can be extended as log a to the base m into log m to the base b. We can extend log a to the base b in this way. If I write some base here, so this base I'll put here. So now on simplification, this one we will get the same thing. So this you can see log a to the base m. I have extended this one. That means I change the base m to x. Why? Because it is log a to the base x. So at least I have one term containing log a to the base x. That is why I did so. Now this log b to the base x and this log x to the base m, I'll write together. Look, I have arranged here. I brought this log b to the base x with log x to the base m. B to the this is x, this is x. Now a to the base x, this x and this x, again this one here I'll write back, I'll come to back. Now this x and this x will cancelled. Here we will get log b to the base m. See, very simple. Log b to the base m can be written as log x to the base m and log b to the base x. That is fine. Now we can write this x cancel, then log b to the base m. So now this log I can take here power. Now you see this came here, so we got now this way, and the left hand side, so imply this side is log a power log b to the base x, and the base is m. Now this log to the base m and this log to the base m cancelled, so we'll get a log b to the base x equal to b power log a to the base x. So hence verified. So this way we verified this problem also. So this is also problem of logarithm. Here we have to show log a power m to the base b power n equal to m by n log a to the base b. So let's prove. We will write left hand side a power m b power n. This equal to m log a to the base b power n. We know that log m power n to the base a equal to n log m to the base a, because the power of log is written before log. So here the power is m, so this m is written before log. Now this equal to, here we can see the base has power. So when the base has power, we change the base. So here I have used a property log a to the base b, 1 by log b to the base a. Here I change the base. Here the base is b power n. Here I got base a because the base has changed, and to change the base we always use this property log a to the base b equal to 1 by log b to the base a. Now you see, so this power I will bring here. So this is m by n so here I'll write m1 is m, and this n I'll bring here log b to the base a. You can see in the right hand side it is m by n log a to the base a. So partially we have got m by n we have, but just in place of log a to the base b we have log b to the base a. So what to do? Now again we will change the base. You can see this b to the base a became log a to the base b. Here also I use this formula log a to the base b equal to 1 by log b to the base a. This is change of base, which is equal to right hand side. So hence solved. So in this problem we have to show log b to the base root a cross log c to the base root b cross log a to the base root c equal to x. If this, then so in this problem we have to show x equal to 8 if log b to the base root a log c to the base root b a to the base root c equal to x. So let's start. Here we can see the base of each of these three log can be written as power of half, because this root a I can write a power half. This root b can be written as b power half, and root c further can be written as c power half. So let's now, as all these bases can be written as a power of half, so we will change the base. So we will change the base. How to change? We will use the formula log a to the base b, which is 1 by log b to the base a. This is this property. Using this property, we can change the base. So this log b to the root base can be written as 1 by root a to the base b. Now this is equal to 1 by log root b to the base c cross 1 by log So here we have to show x equal to 8 if log b to the base root a, log c to the base root b, a to the base root c equal to x. So let's write this first. In logarithm problem, we always try to make this log and base equal as far as possible. So here what to do? This b can be written as root b square. This c can be written as root c square, and this is root b. And this a can be written as root a square and root c equal to x. Now these two I can bring here, and this 2 and this 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. I wrote means all the numbers in a line. Now 2 is 4, 2 is 8. Now this log, this root b and root b we can cancel. Here in these two, here I have used this property log a to the base m into log m to the base b. If it is in this form, we will write log a to the base this m and m cancel and log a to the base b. Now here we will use the property this one. We know that if log a to the base b and log b to the base a, log a to the base b and b to the base a, we can multiply this, we can cross multiply we can cancel this, a will cancel with a and b will be, and it will be 1. So whenever it is log a to the base b and log b to the base a, we write 1. So here this one, it's clearly in this form, so it will become 1, which is equal x equal to 8. So hence students, here we have to prove log to the base 2, log to the base 3, log to the base 2 512 equal to 1. Let's write left hand side. This 512, I'll write its prime factorization. The base is 2. So I will try to write 512 as a power of 2. So now here 512 will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 power 9. And this log 2 power 9. Yes. Because 2 power 9 is 512. Now this is of the form log m power n to the base a, which is n log m to the base a. This power will be written before log. So this 9 will come here. This 9 bring here. This will become 1 because there is property log a to the base a is 1. So here it is of the form log a to the base a, that is log 2 to the base 2 is 1. Now further this 9 can be extended as or written as 3 square. Now this 2 again will use this property and this power will bring before log. Now here you can see this both log 2 to the base 2 and log 3 to the base 3 is in this form. That means will be equal to 1 into 1, which is equal to 1 and right hand side. So hence proved. So in this question we have to prove log to the base 6, log 8 to the base root 2 equal to 1. Let us write left hand side. This is log 6 and here it is log 8 to the base root 2. This is root 2. So we will try to write this 8 in the power of some number with base root 2. So let us see what it will become. We can write 8 as 2 cube, but we have root 2 here. So I can write this 2 as root 2 whole power 6. Yes, root 2 whole power 6 is 2 cube. Let us check. Root 2 whole power 6 means 2 power half whole power 6, which is equal to 2 power half into 6. 2 3 is, which is equal to 2 cube, and 2 cube is 8. That means 8 can be written as root 2 power 6. Now this became of the form log m power n to the base a. We have the property log m power n to the base a is written as log n log m to the base a. You see, when the power when the log has power, we put the power before log. So here this log has power, so this 6 I'll put before log. Here it will come. As soon as this 6 is brought here, this both became of the form log a to the base a, which is 1. So here you see this is of the form log a to the base a, as well as this one also of the form log a to the base a, and log a to the base a is always 1 and this side also 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 and this is right hand side, hence proved. Very simple. So here we have to prove log to the base 2 and log root 2 log 9 to the base root 2 equal to 2. So let's start proof. First of all, we write left hand side. So this is root 2 and here we have 9. So here we have to prove log base 2, log base root 2, log 9, base root 3 equal to 2. So to prove it, we will start from left hand side. This 9 can be written as 3 square to the base root 3. Now this 3 square can be written as log root 3 power 4 to the base root 3. This log 2. This 4 I'll write here and this side is log root 3 root 3. Now this log root 3 to the base root 3 is one. Here I have used the property log m to the base a power n equal to n log m to the base a. So here it is 4. So this 4 can be written as this 4 will come before log using this property. And we have another property, log a to the base a is always 1. So here log root 3 to the base root 3 is 1. This gives. Further, this 4 I can write log 2 and this 4 is actually log, here we will write 2 square for this 4 and the base is root 2. 2 log root 2 and this 2 square can be written as root 2 power 4. Whenever we write here root, just multiply the power with 2. Now this 4 will come here. So this becomes 1. Log root to the base root 2 is 1. 2 square to the base 2 and this one will be 1. So no need to write 1. So this 2 you bring before and 2 into 1 is 2. So this is right hand side.